Heading into work. Done for the day. Man, what a long day. Heading home. It's just about 7:30. So what happened to your finger? Show your finger. What happened? What happened? Kyle did it. Did he accidentally bonk your finger? You got a tiny little scratch on your finger? Alright. And over here, we've got basically everybody going crazy. Hey, guys, relax. Alright, that'll do it for this evening. It's a little early still. It's a little after 9 p.m., but I want to get this edited and start the rendering before 10 p.m. because there's a special event tonight I want to see with my lovely spouse. So, see all of you tomorrow.